Check out this P10 Tim Dixon bought. A Shorty. This is cool. Step van. It runs. Man. We don't know what year it is, but it runs. If I was going to get one of these, it'd be one of these that's real short, easy to maneuver. And I think Tim's going to have a lot of fun playing with this. V8. This is cool.
Look at that custom stereo.
Oh.
Sunglass holder. Holy cow. I didn't know that option was available.
I didn't either.
If it says Ray-Bans, I'm going to turn a cartwheel for your fan. Oh, dang, it's got a Kenwood in it, Jimmy.
Oh, that's cool.
Holy guacamole. Oh, here's a rare option.
What is it?
Right there on the dash. There ain't but two of them in the world came with a spark plug jumper. Oh, that's a rare one.
Well, I like this little minivan thing here. This is cool. Where'd you find this, Tim?
It's in
Crossville, Tennessee. You don't see these every day, and I really do like this one. I like it because it's real short. Man could have a lot of possibilities with this thing.
Look at all the junk there, Jimmy. New PV blaster. Hey, it's brand new and full.
That was worth the price.
Yeah. Here's a sandwich. Holy cow!
Oh,
Man! Hell, we need to do
$100.
New weather strip. Good night.
$100 bill in there.
Check this out.
Warning to avoid personal injury. No, that's cool.
Aw, that's neat.
No children in the basket. When did they make that rule? I always carry my kids in a damn basket. Look here, brand new.
Aniseeds.
Are you kidding me? Man.
You got a deal in this one.
Full of treasure.
Hey, it's got a thermometer up there on that pegboard too.
Yeah, that's an old one.
That's cool.
Look here.
Transmission shaft locator.
No, that's a butthole spliner. Poop leather. Twist on them when they come out.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man, I ain't seen one of them in forever.
What is it?
I don't know. What treasures you find? I wish there was some more money in it. Oh, this might be the...
Hey.
Oh, lug nuts.
Lug nuts?
Bah. Who wants lug nuts? There's a bird's nest.
Yeah, I reckon
Several of them.
probably. This is cool though. I'm glad it runs.
Man, I'm glad I found $100.
I am too.
Holy cow.
Hey, y'all have a good day. Appreciate you watching. We're just having a little bit of fun here at Gas Axe Chop Shop, 10 Mile, Tennessee with Mr. Tim Dixon. Y'all have a good one. Stay safe. See you later.